Well, hey friends, I left you hanging with this closet build. Next up on my list was installing some LED lights. Let me show you how I ran the electrical for those. I used some pilot holes to set up a nice working space for my multi-tool to cut out a spot for this receptacle. If I was going to do it all over again, I would cut these out before I installed these boxes. But anyway, here's where we are. Hole cut, I was able to just drill up into the ceiling above, which has direct attic access. That's not always the case, but that made it really easy to fish this line up and then go pull it to where I needed to. My plan was for these LED lights to be on the same switch as the primary light. So I'm going to be carrying that line over to the main light in the closet and use that as my power source. Once I got all the lines where they needed to be, I started wiring up this receptacle box. Now, this is just a standard receptacle, no big deal. Putting all the appropriate wires where they need to go, the hot, the ground, the neutral. You know the drill. I'm not going to cover that. I'm not a pro. Don't look to me for electrical advice. Remember, I had 2 of these to do, one on each side of the closet. Once they were locked and loaded, I used my outlet tester to just verify that I had everything wired up correctly. Got 2 orange lights in each socket. Plug in those LEDs. Let's roll.